louder, they cannot hear you.
बीच में पीछे से
आता माईक कसं सगळं इकडे कसं
पीछे से
माईक
This one? No, this is some mic. This is some news channel. There's no arm. Is this the one? Yeah.
We don't have a mic. इनके सारे माइक आप ही के हैं. Somebody said it.
She started.
Yeah, who?
Just tap on these
Wait.
speakers and get talking.
Now all the
एक मिनट ऑन कर जोर की बोलो ऑन कर रहे हैं
राहू दे असंच बोला नो प्रॉब्लेम.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm very much thankful to Akshay sir and Aditya sir.
What do you do? What's your name?
I'm advocate Trupti Thankar, doing practice on criminal side. Therefore, I wanted to talk something. Of course, today I mean, everybody is looking at me and as such. But let me inform all of you that Akshay sir has got from University of Windsor, Doctorate of Law. So, in that way, he is from my profession. Apart from that, Mr. Aditya Thackeray in 2007 wrote one poetry poem books, 8 poems he wrote, that is thoughts of my thoughts in white and black. So in our course, we are compulsory wear white and black. So in that way, we are connected to your course. My experience is this: when I was giving my exam for law, I got interview for my examination center. We 5-6 girls were there. At 10 o'clock, it was a peak hour at Ameri station and Ameri staircase. All were going in one row. One fellow was hitting each and every my friend. I seen because I was the last one. Now all was well, but I chased that fellow. I gave him 2-3 bucks like anything on his back. So I need to remember that was my first party. But I was not decided to which side I should do practice. But luckily I am on criminal side. Only one thing I would like to share with everybody. So because that compliment is very much necessary. The cases which I am only under RTC, the criminals, they are very much. So I joined this batch and I am very much grateful and thankful to Akshay sir and thank you very much.
thank you.
Very much. Any questions anybody have?
After do you think how government and the legal system is doing enough to protect women?
Well, I don't know about whether they are doing much. I'm sure they are doing it as much as possible. And let me put it this way, this is also given by the government only. It's thanks to Aditya Thackeray that we have a place to start teaching martial art, start teaching self-defense to women. And also he's given us a lot of places in Thana and other places. So this is help from government only.
आणि मला नाशिकमध्ये पुण्यात संभाजीनगर असेल इतर शहरात न्यायचं आहे. दक्षिण मुंबईत मला एक सेंटर याचं चालू करायचं आहे कारण येणं जाणं इथे कधी कधी लांबून येणं पडतं. अर्थात अंधेरी स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्सचं तुम्ही बघाल बाजूला मेट्रो स्टेशन आहे, रेल्वे स्टेशन आहे, त्यामुळे सोयीचं झालेलं आहे. पण हे जेवढं आम्ही जास्ती मुलींपर्यंत नेऊ, मुली आमच्याकडे येण्यापेक्षा आम्ही हे सेंटर त्यांच्यापर्यंत नेऊ, तेवढं मला वाटतं त्याच्यात आनंद आहे. अर्थात जसं अक्षयजींनी सांगितलं तसंच ह्याच्यात एक गर्वाची पण गोष्ट आहे की आम्ही हे ट्रेनिंग सेंटर चालू केलेलं आहे. पण तेवढी लाजही वाटते की असं सेंटरची गरज आपल्या देशात लागते. तर ह्या गोष्टीला आम्ही पुढे नेण्याचा अर्थात एक प्रयत्न आहे. परत आम्ही एक स्टेट गव्हर्नमेंटला विचारणार आहे की जे काही PT क्लासेस असतात फिजिकल ट्रेनिंगचे, त्याच्यात किमान 1 तास आठवड्यातून सेल्फ डिफेन्ससाठी आपण एक वापरलं पाहिजे. तर मला वाटतं हे खूप गरजेचं आहे.
काय झालं?
मुलींचे किस्से तुम्ही आज ऐकले, त्यांचा एक्सपिरियन्स ऐकला?
मला तर खूप चांगलं वाटतं की आम्ही दे आर गेटिंग दॅट कॉन्फिडन्स अँड दॅट इज encouraging a lot of people to start more and more classes. Like, let me introduce you to this gentleman, sir.
आइए स्टेज पे आइए प्लीज.
He is an MLA from the
Get him on the dance.
He came to know about these classes.
आइए ऊपर आइए प्लीज.
पियुष भाई देसाई has come to know आपल्या क्लासेस इकडे चालतात मुंबईमध्ये. हे नवसारीचे MLA आणि आनंदीबेन पटेल यांचा मेसेज घेऊन आपल्याकडे आले. जागा बघायला फक्त. योगेंद्र अक्षय सर आणि आदित्य सर पण भेटले. हे फक्त जागा बघायला आले होते आणि ह्यांनी आम्हाला कमिट केलंय की गुजरातमध्ये ठिकाण असा सेम हा जो प्रयास आदित्य सर.
Friends.
So I honestly am so glad, first of all, that you're doing this, and that also the media is helping us create awareness for this, because it is something that is definitely growing a lot of attention, and I think you guys can all agree that you're so happy that there's a place that you can come to. I myself know nothing about self-defense, which is why this is really inspiring me that you guys have come here and you have taken the initiative to protect yourselves and become stronger. And I think, like you had said, it's about confidence. I think because we aren't aware of our physical ability, we're not very confident about how to approach situations, and that can of course only come through strength and learning the art and the techniques of self-defense. So I'm really great. I'm so glad you guys have inspired more girls to come here and learn, and I myself will be one of them.
Today you are surrounded by a lot of bodyguards. Has there ever been a situation before you became a star where you found yourself scared or cornered and had to use force to defend yourself?
Sometimes, yeah, there are situations. It's just that people get rowdy, people get excited, and then people, I think, in certain situations aren't really thinking. So unfortunately, we are in a place where that is always occurring to us, and I mean, yeah, I actually have one bodyguard, so I don't really have many, but
Her dad is also there.
Family
जी आज सिर्फ इस एकेडमी के बारे में बात करेंगे क्योंकि कल जैसे उद्धव जी ने कहा है कि इररेलेवेंट न्यूज़पेपर्स के बारे में बात करना कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. आज नुसतं अकॅडमीवर बोलणार आहे मी. तुम्ही अच्छा वो, लेकिन उसके बारे में मैंने सिर्फ पढ़ा है. मुझे अभी तक पता नहीं कि अभी हो रही है कि नहीं हो रही है फिल्म. जी मैं अभी राय नहीं दे सकता क्योंकि मैंने पूरी जो न्यूज़ है वो डिटेल से पढ़ी नहीं है. मुझे पता नहीं उसकी डिटेल्स क्या है. बिल्कुल अगर कोई फिल्म बने तो उस लेवल की, उस स्टैचर की हो, ये तो मेरी ख्वाहिश है. लेकिन जैसे मैंने कहा कि अभी तक मुझे उसकी डिटेल्स पता नहीं, तो मैं उस पर कोई बयान नहीं दे पाऊंगा. पण खरं म्हणजे हे सगळं स्क्रिप्ट झाल्यानंतर पूर्ण जे एक तर स्टोरी लाईन बनल्यानंतरच कळेल की नक्की ते काय बनतं त्याच्यात. कारण त्यांची बायोपिक जर तुम्ही बघाल तर सगळीकडे जिथे जिथे कामं झालेली आहेत. सो essentially asking me who from Bollywood should also play my grandfather. No, I don't only look at him as a leader but my grandfather, so that I don't know, I need to look at. I do not want to put the movie into any issues with me suggesting any actor right now. I'll give my input directly. I'll give my input directly.
What? मेरे बोलने से क्या हो? कॉल तो इनको लेना है, मैंने थोड़ी लेना है.
Then I think it's a very serious issue, and
it's something to
No, it's a very serious issue. Of course, the biopic will also be a very important thing. It'll be also a very emotional issue for a lot of people, as you know, and therefore all these things cannot be said without thinking twice or much more than twice. So you need to deliberate over that and then speak about it. I wouldn't like to comment on that right now.
Aditya, are you down on Bollywood movie?
Sorry? Wait, wait,
We're all happy about the film, but today we're here to support Akshay sir.